Just about every pump has an onboard pre-filter. It's a sponge in a cage on the intake side of the pump. It catches larger material to stop it entering the pump, and over time becomes home to a population of beneficial bacteria that help scrub nutrients from pond water. Now there's a very simple and cost-effective way to dramatically improve the performance of this onboard pre-filter. Ever seen one of these hanging in your pond cellars displays? No, it's not a replacement sponge for a really big pump. It's actually an external filter block you can add to the intake of your existing pump. And what makes these very special is their incredibly huge surface area. Externally, they've a greater surface area to screen larger material without clogging, and internally they've more places for those good bacteria to colonize and consume waterborne nutrients that contribute to cloudy water. They're very simple, a specially engineered sponge block. Then down the center is a rod with a number of holes in it to equalize water inflow. Connecting one is dead easy. It screws into your pump just like that. Then you just run your pump as normal. Like the built-in sponges, they do need occasional cleaning, and how you do that is very important. Grab a bucket of water from your pond, drop the sponge in, and then gently massage the bulk of the material from the sponge. Cleaning this way will help to preserve all of those good bacteria that have colonized your sponge, because the chlorine in tap water can kill them, and excessive flushing with the garden hose will actually remove them from the sponge. And when you're done, don't waste the water, pour it into the garden. The easy addition of a PondMAX Pre-filter Sponge is a simple way to make the perfect pond even better. For more information, visit pondmax.com.au.